How to avoid volatile organic compounds, VOCs, through green cleaning. This guide will introduce you to the subject of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Before we dive into the subject of VOCs, let's first talk about what they are. Volatile organic compounds are gases that can enter the air from household products. What products contain VOCs? Many of the common chemicals we use in our homes and businesses contain VOCs, such as fragrance products and many cleaning products, as well as dry-cleaned clothing. Generally, VOCs are man-made and are used in paint manufacturing, pharmaceutical manufacturing, and refrigerant production. Environmental health perspectives. How do volatile organic compounds affect the environment and our health? If you're wondering how VOCs affect your health, you're not alone. Different types of VOCs can cause long-term health problems depending on the level and duration of exposure. If you are concerned about your health, check for low VOC products on the label. VOCs are present in the air due to incomplete combustion and unintended evaporation, thus affecting indoor air quality. Adverse health effects of VOCs exposure. Although there are many dangers associated with volatile organic compounds, the most prominent and serious health consequences relate to their impact on chronic respiratory problems and even lung cancer. You should also avoid exposing people or animals to these chemicals unnecessarily. Clean your home. The amount of VOCs in common products is usually low, but federal standards do not regulate VOC levels in non-industrial products. The highest percentages of VOCs are typically found in fragrances and other household cleaning products. Solutions for reducing or eliminating VOC exposure. You can reduce or eliminate exposure to VOCs by using best practices. If you can't avoid using cleaning supplies that contain volatile organic compounds, make sure you store them outside of the work area and keep the amount of methylene chloride in them as low as possible. If you're concerned about volatile organic compounds in your home, the EPA offers these steps. Review LEED certification standards for suitable products. Look for third-party certifications as a signpost for suitable products. Be mindful of paint containers you keep inside your home and store them elsewhere if possible. When using VOC-containing products, make sure to give your home plenty of fresh air. Dispose of unused or little-used containers safely. Take steps to reduce your use. Volatile organic compounds are released into the air when products containing them are used or worn. These chemicals can also evaporate from their containers, even when they are sealed. Reduce your use of these products by using them in well-ventilated spaces or outdoors. You can also use them in a spray bottle to reduce the amount of vapors released into the air. Practice safe storage. The most common ways to avoid hazardous VOCs is by using natural products or chemical-free cleaning and personal care items. Increase ventilation. Open windows or use fans whenever possible to create and maintain a well-ventilated space. Purchase wisely. There are many household items that contain VOCs and they can be found anywhere from furniture polish to varnish. Water-based alternatives to these products are much less volatile. Search for products that meet Green Seal standards and are specifically labeled low VOC or no VOC. Products like SoapFree Procyan do not have any of these harmful chemicals. Safer cleaning without VOCs. Benefits of using a green cleaner. If you're looking for a greener alternative to conventional cleaning products, there are plenty of great options out there that don't rely on harsh chemicals. Green cleaning has become more popular in recent years as people have become more aware of the health and environmental risks of traditional chemical-based cleaners. There are many benefits to using green cleaners. They are safer for both people and the environment, they often cost less in the long run because they last longer, and they smell better than traditional chemical-based cleaners. Switch to natural brands like SoapFree Procyan for cleaning and begin taking steps to reduce exposure to harmful chemicals. Benefits of using SoapFree Procyan, no VOCs. If you're looking for a green cleaning solution, then you've probably heard of SoapFree Procyan, or SoapFree, products. This brand of natural cleaners is used in homes all over the world. Museums, allergenic clinics, hospitals, daycare centers, schools, and even hotels use SoapFree Procyan. Its unique formula eliminates harmful toxins from your cleaning products and leaves your home sparkling. SoapFree Procyan uses detergent-free, water-softening and food-grade cleaners to clean your carpets. Because they're soap-free, they don't contain toxic chemicals and can be easily rinsed out of your carpet. Procyan is a green-certified, indoor air quality approved cleaner. In addition, the SoapFree formula will help prevent future accidents and protect the environment. Most importantly, SoapFree Procyan products contain no VOCs.